What's up, people? It is Wednesday, end of the month. We've got the FOMC meeting in 2 hours. Let's capture behind the scenes, the highlights, but also, capture everything else in between. A lot of people have been asking for, day in the life, week in the lifestyle content. There's not much lifestyle going on at the moment. I'm pretty much locked into trading and I've been streaming a lot, pretty much every day. But we've got the Bank of England tomorrow, and then we've got NFP on Friday. So it's going to be an action-packed week. Might be a lot of ups and downs, but we're going to see how it goes. Check. JB, sell US 30 now. Trust me, G. One, I don't trade US 30. Two, nobody should be selling anything in the next 3 minutes. Toons is here for the gamble. Vivian waiting till after. Exactly. That's the right thing to do. That's what I'm doing. Keep the interest rate same until Q4. I mean, September, that's when everyone's gonna cut. Okay, we've got 1 minute to go. What's this? No movement. I don't know what kind of reaction that was, but yeah, nothing. What's going on? I've stayed up until 2 or 3 in the morning for nothing. QG shook my magic 8 ball. Sell. Leveraging the house and a wife on gold, Garrick. Lawrence, bet, dump, then pump. Hassan, sell gold, brace for impact. Sold gold, deleted MT5. When I delete MT5, I delete MT5 when I've gone off full tilt mode and I can't go no more. Can I have panda style? 5 pieces, please. $60, yeah?
Very busy week, not just for earnings, but for central banks and economic data.
So the FOMC conference was very uneventful. I didn't take any trades. I went to sleep around 4 a.m, but I still woke up relatively early this morning and got on with my normal routine. But I went out to BGC for lunch with a friend, and while I was there and also on the move, I did take a couple trades, which is not ideal. I kept the losses small, but in hindsight, they were definitely avoidable. So I wrote everything down in my accountability section on Discord, and that's just so I could reflect and come to the US session with a clearer mind. I am running later than scheduled, got stuck in traffic on the way home, so I couldn't start the Bank of England stream. Currently running in a trade and got my losses back. But of course, after I've taken a couple losses, I have to reduce my size. I wasn't able to capitalize it as much as I could have. But yeah, we're gonna start the stream in about literally 20 minutes, so I'm going to quickly eat again because I can't eat during stream, and see what the US session brings us today. Indexes look interesting. Gut instinct tells me that I'll be looking for a short opportunity. Price action, heroes. You think we might flip bullish on GU? As soon as I entered this trade, it popped straight away and showed me that intention. It was just compressing here and just popped, pulled back, and I should have entered anywhere here. So I'm going to keep an eye on a short. I need to be more aggressive and stop being passive here. It is a good setup for me, but it's just being hesitant, and it has got room to go. It's not really late. Damn, this is catching momentum, but I did hesitate, and it's like, is there a reason for me to hesitate? I only trade small, so I should have just chucked it on. But I think I was being a bit conscious of my mistakes earlier. 3 pushes into the open, engulfing candle, pin hammer, blah blah blah. This is very technical setup, but the main reason I would want to go short, I have conviction that we're going short and this correction is not over. Or maybe shorts are getting induced. Yeah, that's possible. Price action. For me, I would hold it to go short further for sure. That's the thing, is I was hesitating I was hesitating around here because like we look at this and we think, nah, there's no pullback. There's no, technically it's not lining up with my 0.7 Fibonacci and blah, blah, blah. But it was a setup, and like you've got to sometimes anticipate that the momentum is going to accelerate because these are the conditions that we're dealing with in the last few days. Yeah, sure. I know what you mean. When you don't participate in a trade, but you planned it or you've seen it, but for some reason you didn't execute on it, just like now, it's that tension that builds up, and you just got to be mindful. Yeah, I know what you mean. I do let it affect me. It's just a bit annoying. So today is Friday, it's NFP, it's going to be a big day. Yesterday was a big day, but I failed to capitalize on it. I missed a huge opportunity on the SP 500. I was hesitating on stream. It's not the first time that's happened where I've had a strong conviction in a trade idea, but maybe because I was managing another trade or I just was feeling very passive because of mistakes I made earlier on in the day. I didn't execute, and that was a huge opportunity missed. And that hasn't been the first time since I've been streaming, since I've been doing this FTMO challenge for about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I've kind of mismanaged countless opportunities. I've been on the top and the bottom of big moves that's happened in the markets recently, and I've either cut the trade too early, got out break even, didn't let it run, or yeah, I am slightly disappointed with myself, with my performance over the last month, but I did say that I was trying to get my confidence back after taking a break from trading. Streaming, of course, is different. It has definitely benefited me because it makes me more patient. But at the same time, I haven't fully adapted to trading how I want to trade. And maybe I'm self-conscious about taking a loss or a big loss on stream or being wrong. I think every trader has that fear of being wrong or can't accept being wrong, and it leads them down, that path of going on tilt or revenge trading or, making their mistakes bigger. For the most part, I've kept myself controlled. I've kept my losses small. Haven't been in any big drawdown. We've slowly and steady climbed up. We're floating around 4-5% at the moment, but very little progress in the space of a month. I have been trading low risk pretty much, but there needs to come a stage where I have to step up my risk, and I have to have more confidence in myself and trust myself and my trade ideas and have conviction. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick chat about where my mind's at currently. I've made a big change and come here in the Philippines and burnt all the ships. I got to make it through trading. I've got to make this work. That pressure is in the back of my mind. It's percolating in my subconscious. I've got to find a way to overcome it and then, optimize myself, my performance, and believe in myself, because, I never ever said throughout my journey I'm the best trader. I never bragged, oh, I've caught this 1 to 10, blah blah blah, because we all take big losses. We all go on tilt now and again, but you just don't see it. But I've documented that. But I need to start believing in myself. I have improved. I've always been able to find the right trade ideas at the right time. Yes, often I get it wrong. As long as I control the times when I'm wrong and I keep my losses small and I don't lose confidence, so I can execute when the time's right. Basically what I'm saying, I need to step my game up. And Friday, I'm coming into NFP. I'm conscious of the fact that maybe I'm gonna try push it more just because of yesterday, but I'm gonna keep it chill. We are doing a little personal account flip first time because I don't trade personal. So I chucked $100 in a broker. We're gonna have some fun, flip that. And next week, come with a clear game plan and elevate my confidence. All right, so a bit of after stream action. I'm currently in a trade on the My Funded Futures evaluation, 150K. I wasn't planning to start it today, but because the personal account flip for NFP didn't go to plan, we didn't have enough leverage, then I touched this evaluation basically. And we ended the stream kind of early. It's Friday night. I thought, let's give it a break. But I carried on trading. I saw a trade on gold, went short. That was nice. And then we're currently in long on ES. And if we hit target, we'll be in 9k profit, and we would have passed this challenge all in one day, which is not the normal for me. But after everything that we were speaking about before the stream, I just felt like being more aggressive. So here we are. Okay, check this. I just found this on my streaming program. We got sound effects. So if we hit TP, this fucking goes. Okay, so somehow I managed to lose the recording of hitting TP and the rest of the outro, but we did pass the My Funded Futures evaluation. So we're funded 150k now. First time funded with futures, by the way. So gonna take some adjustment too, but I'm gonna take it steady with that account. We're 5% up on the FTMO challenge, so that's taken a long time. But yeah, stay in focus. I'm happy to end the week this way and round up the first month that I've been here in the Philippines. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for the recent support on my channel. Thank you for hanging out on the live streams. It's growing quite fast. We're streaming 3 or 4 times a week. And check out the free Discord. We're building a little community, traders of different experiences. We're just all sharing the journey, learning from each other. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to post more content on there. I've been posting stories, but make sure you follow me on there. It will be appreciated. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm going to catch you guys next week. A bit of a rush outro. I have to run. But yeah, just wanted to sign off and say that I love it here. Everything's been good. And, there's so much more to do. But at the same time, I'm grateful that I managed to end the month and everything's going okay so far. So yeah, catch you guys soon. Love.